from international class. In this video for therapeutic communication, we're gonna making video how to overcome anxiety with technique 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm Aisa as a narrator, videographer, and editor, and this is my friend.
My name is Ayu Suramadina as a patient.
And
I Angelina Aprilia as a nursing.
and
Artwan Yubri Asrari as author.
and the last.
I'm Rizky Praga as a second author.
The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique is general exercise to manage by the anxiety and stress and focusing on the present moment of using 5 senses. First, 5 things you can see. Second, 4 things you can feel. Third, 3 things you can hear. Fourth, 2 things you can smell. And fifth, 1 thing you can taste.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ms. Angel, and I will accompany you today. I hope you just like 5 years for the doctor. How are you feeling now?
Good afternoon, nurse. I'm still shocked and really scared because I can't believe I have a cancer.
I understand that 5 years is indeed very difficult to accept. What are you feeling right now? Anxiety, sadness, or fear?
I can feel worried because I'm afraid I won't get better, and if I'm afraid, I leave my home.
I hear you anxiety and it's perfectly natural. I hope you can learn if life will benefit you to try a simple exercise called the 5 in 1 grounding exercise. When to try it now?
Okay, nurse. I want to feel more.
Okay, let's get started. Name 5 things you see around the room.
I see a chair, a window, a ladder, a plastic bottle, and a tree.
Very good. Now try to name 4 things you can feel with your sense of touch.
I can feel the pressure of the chair, the cold of the room, the texture of hospital bed, and my hand is shaking.
That's amazing. Huh? Now name 3 things you can feel.
I heard the sound of air conditioner, footsteps in the hallway, and music nurse voice.
Good. Now name 2 things that I can smell.
I smell the aroma of the plane and the scent of the soup on the hand.
And the last, try to mention 1 positive thing that you feel about yourself right now.
I feel the power because I can talk and someone will appreciate.
Good. You don't agree your grounding yourself. I'm glad you feel happy.
Thank you, nurse. I feel like my burden a little lighter now.
You're welcome.